on the streets of Mallorca looking for my hotel. This is always the fun part. Don't be scared. Just say hi to the people that are in the streets. Hola. I mean, seriously, that's the key. It's looking at people where you go and looking them in the eye, just saying hi, trying to communicate. People appreciate that. Pizza or something. Okay, I'm about to get run over here. I'm gonna get out of the way before he runs me over. Very good. Look at this cool little square. I think my hotel is near here. Let's see. Corner bar over there. How cool. Okay, oh where could my hotel be? Oh where could it be? I think it's pretty amazing to be in a place you've never been with local people that are just staring at you, really trying to figure you out just like you're trying to figure them out. But everybody's very curious, no matter where you go. The taxi was gonna run me over here. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go find my hotel, but I'm gonna finish taking a little more video here. Okay. We'll do more of this later. This was fun. Okay.